Have you ever marveled at the precision of an ancient civilization, wondering how they managed complex engineering feats without modern technology? The Romans, masters of infrastructure, faced a significant challenge: how to deliver a steady and controlled supply of water from their magnificent aqueducts to bustling cities and private homes. The Romans brilliantly controlled water flow from their aqueducts primarily through a sophisticated system of distribution tanks, known as castella, and a network of precisely sized lead pipes. These ingenious structures and materials allowed them to regulate pressure, distribute water efficiently across varied terrain, and even allocate specific volumes to different users. The core mechanism behind this control was gravity and hydraulics, expertly managed through engineering. Aqueducts were designed with a continuous, gentle gradient, ensuring water flowed steadily from source to city. Upon reaching the city, the main aqueduct would feed into a primary castellum. This tank served as a settling basin, removing impurities, and more crucially, as a header tank that distributed water into secondary and tertiary castella, which were strategically placed throughout the urban area to maintain consistent pressure and flow. The elevation of these tanks, combined with the diameter of the outgoing pipes, directly dictated the flow rate to various points. To put this into practice, imagine a Roman engineer planning water supply for a district. They would first determine the required flow rates for public baths, fountains, and private concessions. Based on these needs, they would select appropriate pipe diameters, known as calyx or nozzles, which were standardized and regulated by law. These calyx were typically made of bronze and fitted into the castella, acting as a flow restrictor. Public water often flowed freely from larger pipes, while private connections were metered through these smaller, specific orifices to prevent unauthorized overuse. An interesting detail is the practice of granting water rights, or iura aquae, which were meticulously recorded and monitored by officials like the curator aquarum. These rights specified not just the volume, but also the duration of water supply to individual properties or establishments. This legal and administrative layer ensured that the physical engineering systems were governed by a clear framework, preventing disputes and guaranteeing equitable distribution, even during periods of lower flow. The design of castella also allowed for overflow, which helped maintain a stable water level and often fed public fountains, ensuring constant access for all citizens. Ultimately, the Roman approach to controlling aqueduct water flow demonstrates a profound understanding of both engineering principles and civic administration. Their system of castella, varied pipe sizes, and regulated water rights allowed for a highly adaptable and sustainable water distribution network, directly contributing to the sanitation, public health, and flourishing daily life of their vast empire.